So lots of times, like these older cars, they'll have a problem with the engagement or disengagement of the transmission, like just going into first gear. So right now, my foot's off the clutch. It's in neutral, we're at a stoplight. I'm gonna put my foot on the clutch and go into first gear. And so that worked really nice. It just went right into first gear. Lots of times you can put your foot on the clutch and then first gear is like really hard to get into and you have to kind of like jam it into gear. Sometimes it grinds, that's never good. And then we'll shift into second right here. It goes right into second. And then third gear, it pulls pretty nicely. And then fourth gear, I think the van does have, it has some sort of a tall gear ratio in it because I'm here at 35 miles an hour and we're accelerating and the engine RPM is really low right now, like it's under 2,000 RPM. We're at 40 miles an hour and it's still under 2,000 RPM. I don't have a tachometer, so I'm guesstimating the RPM, but I think it has either it does still have the reduction boxes installed in the rear, so it either has like that 1-to-1 kit or possibly the ring and pinion is taller. I'm not exactly sure which one, but it has a taller transmission in it than stock. So the car pulls away from stop signs pretty nicely. It is a dual carbureted engine. We're not sure on the size, but it's got great torque. Just shifting it through the gears, it gets up to speed rather quickly for a bus, so it feels nice. All right. So that is the test drive with a 66 bus, split window. Drives well, it shifts through all the gears, no problems. It accelerates well, it stops well. This is a great bus.